Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the simple step-by-step process of adding a PDF file directly to your Wix website. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to let your visitors view important documents, brochures, or menus right on your site, without any confusion. So if you've been wondering how to make your PDFs visible and accessible in your Wix project, you're definitely in the right place. Let's jump right in. First up, you'll want to head over to your Wix website's design area. So open up your Wix editor for the specific site you want to work on. This is your creative playground, the place where you control how everything looks and works. It might sound obvious, but always make sure you're editing the correct site if you have more than one. Trust me, it'll save you headaches later. Now let's move to the left side of the screen, right near the top. You're looking for the Add Elements button. Go ahead and click on that. This panel is basically your control center for adding any new feature or media to your site, from images and galleries to more advanced stuff like code embeds. Clicking here opens up a whole menu of possibilities. Next, hover your mouse over something called Embed Code. You don't need to click yet, just hover and you'll see more options pop out to the right. This section is perfect for adding content to your site that isn't natively built into Wix, like custom forms or special document viewers. Now, from the list that appears, look for PDF Viewer and give that a click. This tool is designed specifically for displaying PDFs right on your site, making the experience smooth for your visitors. When you select it, you'll probably notice a little loading animation. Don't worry, this is totally normal. The system is just getting the special viewer box ready for you to customize, and depending on your internet speed, it might take a few moments. Once the PDF viewer loads, you'll see an option that says Upload PDF. Click that. You might see a couple of choices here, but just look for the button that says Add File. This is where you'll begin bringing your PDF into the Wix platform. From there, hit Upload Media. This is an important step because it tells Wix you want to add a brand new file from your own computer. So when the next window pops up, select Upload from Computer. Take a second to find your PDF file. This step is just like attaching something to an email. If you're unsure where you saved your document, try checking your desktop or Downloads folder. Once you've located your PDF, simply select it and click Open. Depending on the size of your PDF and your internet connection, the upload might take a moment, so don't worry if things freeze for a second. It's totally normal. Once your PDF appears in your media library, click on it to select it, and then look for the option to Add to Page. Click that, and the PDF will instantly be embedded right where you place the PDF viewer box. This means your site visitors will be able to view, scroll through, and download your PDF without ever leaving your website. And that's really all there is to it. Your PDF is now seamlessly embedded on your Wix website, ready for your audience to check it out. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might need it, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. And if you want more easy tutorials like this, remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.